Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to create glitchy and fade shake transitions or effects for your edits in CapCut. So just add clips, add the clips that you want to edit. In this case I'm using 2 clips. Then just click on the transition box, click on the overlay and add the black fade transition. Click on the check icon and click on the second clip, animations, and add some turbulence effect, this one. Click on the check icon and now go to the video effects, click on the glitch category, then select this color distortion effect and set it for the entire clips. Okay, now go to the video effects again, click on the nightclub category and select the repeat zoom effect. Okay, this one, click on the check icon and set it only for the first clip, like so. And now you are done, and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.